Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a car, any car guys. And if you have a message on the dash that says brake fluid level low or anything related to low brake fluid guys, stay with us. We'll explain the top 3 reasons that we see here at the shop. Make sure to stay until the end. One of them is guys something that most of you don't think about, but it's super simple as well guys. Before we start, let me tell you something. If you guys need to buy brake fluid, any tools, parts for your car, check out the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from for a really good price and usually very fast shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. So let me show you what we have here, and what I'm talking about. So specifically guys, we'll demonstrate on that BMW, but most cars will be that way. You will guys have one sensor that detects the brake fluid level. And that sensor actually in most cases guys, is located and integrated in the reservoir, brake fluid reservoir cap. Most of the times it will be on the driver's side. If you're in England, it will be on the right side facing the vehicle. Most other places will be on the left side, but always it will be on the driver's side, because that's where your brake pump will be, brake booster as well. This is the brake fluid reservoir. One thing guys to check, first, super easy, right? Check the fluid level. If it says low fluid level, most likely it is just a low fluid level, but what else it can cause that, stay with us and we'll explain something hidden towards the end as well guys. So checking it right here now, you can see this is the max, this is the mean. You can see ours is pretty dirty fluid, it's right below the max. So what else can cause to get that message? Now right here, sometimes guys, that wire will be close to the closing system on your car, strut support, anything like that. So make sure that it's not broken, not pinched anywhere, and make sure that it's connected properly. So disconnected, make sure you don't have corrosion here, and reconnect it again. If that doesn't fix the problem, what else it could be? Let me open the cap and I'll explain guys 2 things that can actually cause that now. So we'll go ahead, unscrew it. Still unscrewing guys, and this is the sensor right here that detects the fluid level. Check out how nasty our fluid is. It's terrible guys, terrible. So most cars, if you check your maintenance book, or if some will even remind you, BMW is really good about that, tells you how often you should change your brake fluid. You'll get a message on the dash as well. But if guys, you don't change the brake fluid, it's dangerous, because you can lose your brakes, damage the brake system. And I want to show you how dirty and the amount of deposits that we have, and all that can end up in the ABS pump module over here and damage that one as well, which is by the way very expensive. But if guys you have brake fluid, the wire is good and everything is good, then most likely you have a bad sensor. This is the sensor. When it drops like that, it detects that you need to add fluid, you have low brake fluid level. If it's up, it's good. Now the thing about this one guys is that simply guys, sometimes even dirty, bad fluid can damage that. The wrong type of fluid can damage that as well. Always guys, check your manual and see what kind of brake fluid you can use. Here it says use only original brake fluid on the cap. That's for a reason guys. And flush the system and replace your sensor, and that should take care of your problem guys immediately. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to fix that problem on your car. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.